In practice number 9, it's a bit challenging. What you have to do is to program the first one. And then once you do the first one, the rest will be the same thing. So first, we're going to repeat 2 times this way. Then going down, repeat 2 times again, south, and then 2 times east. No, sorry, west. This is the west direction. So let's see. Alright, you see that same move? We're going to repeat it this time, but not only 2 times, because it's 1, 2, 3. And if you notice, it's the shape of the 3, number 3. So repeat 3 times, put all of these inside it. If you notice, we are using nested loops. This is what we call nested loops. We used 2 loops inside each other. You notice? And this is it. So